सो हे गाइस, दिस इज हिमांशु शिंदे। इंजीनियरिंग फिजिक्स सीखने की इस वीडियो सीरीज़ में आज हम बात करेंगे कॉम्पटन स्कैटरिंग इफेक्ट के बारे में। ठीक है, तो इसमें आपको हैंड रिटन नोट्स मिल जाएंगे पीडीएफ में। ठीक है, इस वीडियो में भी मैं आपको यही कहूँगा कि समझिए पहले। ठीक है, लिंक आपको नोट्स की डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी, आप वहाँ से जाके देख लेना। वीडियो के आखिरी में पहले समझ लीजिए, समझ में आ जाए वहाँ से देख लेना। ठीक है, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता वीडियो को दोबारा से रिवाइंड करके देखना। ठीक है, तो यार बिना टाइम वेस्ट करे आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं और बात करते हैं हमारे कॉम्पटन स्कैटरिंग इफेक्ट के बारे में। ठीक है, तो ये आपका डायग्राम हो गया। ठीक है, एक्सरे यूनिट हो गई, यहाँ से आपकी एक्सरेज जनरेट होंगी। ये आपका क्रिस्टल स्टैंड हो गया। देन स्कैटरिंग एक्सरेज, तो यहाँ पे आपकी एक्सरेज जो है वो स्कैटर हो गई। ये आपका डिटेक्टर हो गया जो आपका डिटेक्ट कर लेगा। ठीक है, देन ये हमारी थ्योरी है, थ्योरी देखते हैं हम। व्हेन हाई एनर्जेटिक रेडिएशन एक्सरेज फॉल्स ऑन एनी सब्सटेंस देन फॉलोइंग पॉसिबिलिटीज आर। सो आपकी जब एक्सरेज फॉल होंगी तो ये फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टीज जो है वो अकर होंगी। अनमॉडिफाइड रेडिएशन, in this case the wavelength of the scattered radiation always be equal to the wavelength of incident radiation. So scattered radiation और incident radiation की जो wavelength होगी वो आपकी equal होगी। ठीक है, मॉडिफाइड रेडिएशन में आपकी इक्वल नहीं होगी। ठीक है, डेफिनेशन में लिखा है आपका। देन रिकॉइल इलेक्ट्रॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन विच इज इन द स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट टेक एनर्जी फ्रॉम द इंसिडेंट फोटॉन्स, दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नोन एज रिकॉइल इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। सो कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आपके रेस्ट में होंगे तो वो जो होंगे वो आपके एनर्जी ले लेंगे किससे, इंसिडेंट फोटॉन से। देन दिस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इज नोन एज रिकॉइल इलेक्ट्रॉन, दिस फिनोमेना इज नोन एज कॉम्पटन्स इफेक्ट। ठीक है, तो ये आपका कॉम्पटन्स इफेक्ट हो गया, ये डेफिनेशन हो गई आपकी। The adequate explanation of this effect was given by Compton in 1922 on the basis of Planck's quantum theory. According to Planck's quantum theory, radiations are the bundles of energy packets. So ये आपकी bundles of energy packets हैं। ठीक है, these bundles of energy packets are known as the photons. So photons जो है वो आपके bundles of energy packets होते हैं। The energy of photon is h nu, where h is Planck's constant and nu is the frequency of energy. This phenomena is due to elastic collision between photon and electron in rest. ठीक है, so this is theory. Let us consider a photon of energy h nu moving towards electron which is in the state of rest. So this is a diagram. ठीक है, तो पेपर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपको ये बना के आना पड़ेगा अपने एग्जाम में। ठीक है, so let the energy of incident photon equals to h nu. The momentum of incident photon will be h nu by c. So E equals to pc, E equals to h nu. So equating this, so pc equals to h nu. So P will be equals to h nu by c. Okay. Now the energy of electron at rest will be equals to m naught c square. So m naught is rest mass of electron and c is the velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to power 8. The momentum of electron at rest will be 0 as it is in rest, so momentum will be 0. After collision, the energy of scattered photons equals to h nu dash. So this is the new energy after the scattered photon, therefore h nu dash. The momentum of scattered photon is h nu dash upon c, as these are the new momentum and the energy, therefore we are taking as dash, where m equals to m naught under root 1 minus v square upon c square is known as realistic mass. The momentum of recoil electron equals to mv. Okay, let the direction of scattered photon is theta and direction of recoil electron is phi. This collision is an elastic collision, therefore energy and momentum both remain conserved. So this is a elastic collision, therefore the energy and momentum both remain conserved. Okay, after applying law of conservation of energy, before collision and after collision will be equal. So h nu m naught c square plus and equals to h nu dash plus mc square. Okay, by applying law of conservation of momentum along x axis. So h nu by c plus 0 equals to h nu dash c cos theta plus mv cos phi. and along y-axis both will be 0 plus 0 will be equals to 0. Then h nu dash by c sin theta minus mv sin phi. So equation 3 may be written as mvc sin phi, as this minus value will go on left hand side, then this will become positive, and c will be multiplied with this mv sin phi. So we will get mvc sin phi equals to hv h nu dash sin theta. Okay, now again equation 2 may be written as mvc cos phi equals to h nu minus h nu dash cos theta. So h is common, so we can take out this h and write this as h nu minus h nu dash cos theta equals to mvc cos phi. So this is equation 5th. By squaring equation 4 and 5 and then adding, we get m square v square c square h square nu square plus nu dash square minus 2 nu dash cos theta. Now from equation 1 we will have, you can see here in the equation 1, so this is the equation 1. Okay, so we will get mc square equals to h nu minus h nu dash plus m square c square. Okay, by squaring both the sides of the above equation, m square c4, so we are squaring both the side of this equation, so we'll get you can see this will be a minus b's whole square, so nu square plus nu dash whole square minus 2 nu dash plus m naught square and c raised to the power 4, and this whole term will be a plus b whole square, so 2h m naught c square nu minus nu dash. Okay, so subtracting equation 6 from equation 7, so here we are subtracting the equation, then m this will cancel out, so m will be equals to m naught under root 1 minus v square upon c square. Okay, so this is the important lines. ठीक है, तो ये आपको रिमेंबर रखना पड़ेंगी. ठीक है, 0 equals to 2h square nu dash cos theta minus 1 plus 2h m naught c square nu minus nu dash. Okay, then bringing this term on left hand side, so this 2 will cancel out this 2, h square will cancel out this h. Okay, so finally we will get h nu dash 1 minus cos theta mu naught m naught c square nu minus nu dash. So bringing this term in this divide, and this m naught c square n upon h. Okay, then 1 minus cos theta. So dividing this nu by nu dash, so we'll get 1 upon nu dash minus 1 nu. Okay, then multiply this whole term by c. Okay, then c upon nu dash will be lambda dash and this will be lambda, so this is the equation. Okay, which is the required relation for change in wavelength, so this is del lambda, so this is a change in the wavelength. Okay, for case 1 we are considering theta as 0, so cos theta that is cos 0 will be 1. Okay, so lambda dash will be equals to lambda for the unmodified radiation, and second case will be theta will be 90 degrees, so cos 90 equals to 0. So this is the wavelength for 90 degree, and for case 3 we are considering theta is 180 degree, so cos 180 minus 1, so calculating the whole value we will get this value. Okay, So this is the maximum possible change in the wavelength. Okay, at 180 degree we'll get the maximum possible change, and this change in wavelength is known as Compton shift at 90 degree. Okay, so this is the second question. Calculate the energy lost by photon in Compton's interaction. Okay, so let the energy of incident photon is h nu, energy of scattered, that is h nu dash. So energy loss will be this. Okay, from Compton's relation, as we have seen this above. Okay, so bringing this term on right hand side, we'll get this. Then we are taking the LCM. Then alpha will be equals to h nu m naught c square. Okay, so putting alpha in place of this term. Okay, so 1 upon nu dash is equals to 1 plus alpha 1 minus cos theta upon nu, so we'll get this term. Okay, then energy loss will be this. Okay, so cancelling this whole term, we will get this finally. So this is also the formula for energy gain by electron in Compton's interaction. So this is the energy gain by electron in Compton's interaction. Similarly, as we have done earlier, here also we will put theta equals to 0 and theta 90 degree and theta equals to 180 degree. Okay, so these are some of the possibilities, you can look into it. So again, another question, calculate the direction of recoil electrons in Compton's interaction, direction of scattered photon. सो ये जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो हम इसलिए देख रहे हैं क्योंकि ये जो है आपके एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है। तो ये आपके पेपर में आ सकते हैं, पूछ सकते हैं वो, इसलिए ये हम देख रहे हैं, ठीक है। सो बाय अप्लाइंग लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी, so h nu by c plus 0 equals to h nu c cos theta plus mv cos phi. So along y axis, as this also we have seen earlier, ये हमने ऊपर देखा था, ठीक है। So equation 2 may be written as mvc sin phi h nu sin theta, and equation 1 may be written as this. Okay, so by dividing equation 3 by equation 4 we'll get this. Okay, so this sin upon cos phi will become tan phi, and this mvc will cancel out this mvc. Okay, and h will cancel out this h, and we will get nu dash sin theta, this is nu sin theta, and nu minus nu dash cos theta. Okay, so from Compton's relation, so 1 minus nu dash 1 minus nu h upon m0, that is m naught c square 1 minus cos theta. Okay, so bringing this 1 upon h nu to the right hand side. Okay, so this whole term. Similarly, in this also we will consider h nu upon m naught c square as alpha, so in place of this whole term we will write alpha. Okay, then this nu dash will be equals to this whole term. Okay, then tan phi, thus direction of recoil electron is given by tan phi, and this whole value you can see in the above equation, we are simply putting the values. Okay, and this is some of the mathematical calculation. Okay, so if you have any problems in this, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so this is the whole calculation of this tan phi. Okay, so as you know, sin 2 theta is equals to 2 sin theta cos theta, so therefore this sin theta we are putting the value, we are putting the formula, this is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Okay, this is simply a mathematical calculation, you can look into it. Okay, so this sin theta will cancel out this sin square theta, and this 2 will cancel this 2, and cos theta by 2 and sin theta by 2 will be cot theta by 2, and this 1 plus alpha, so we will get this whole term. Okay, and phi will be equals to tan inverse cot theta by 2 upon 1 plus alpha. The direction of a scattered photon can be calculated by cot theta by 2 1 plus alpha tan phi, and theta equals to 2 cot inverse 1 plus alpha or tan phi. Okay, so this is all for this video. ओके, सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करो, ठीक है, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करो और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, ठीक है। और जितने भी ये नोट्स थे आपने जो भी वीडियो में देखे वो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी उनकी लिंक, आप वहाँ से जाकर देख लेना, ठीक है। आपकी कोई भी क्वेरीज हो तो मेरे कमेंट सेक्शन में बता देना, ठीक है। सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द सब्सक्राइब बटन एंड also press the bell icon to get the notifications when I upload new videos. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.